Are you a hot sleeper like I am, but you want to have weight on you when you sleep at night? If so, then you may want to try a weighted blanket. I'm Gina with WTI, and I've been using this one that I got from Drewin. This is a 15-pound queen size blanket. Of course, the weight is distributed throughout the blanket with beads. I like that it gives me that little bit of weight without feeling like I'm drowning in blankets. I got the beige jacquard pattern. I like that it has a boho look to it. It's Sherpa on one side, but both sides are super fuzzy, super comfy, and super snuggly. This is queen size, so it's 60 by 80. So it is exactly the size of the top of your mattress. So it doesn't fall over on either side unless you turn it. And so that's what we did because we like to have a little bit of extra blanket on either side. Otherwise, my husband and I fight over it. To me, this beige has a tiny bit of pink in it, which matched my colors in my bedroom perfectly, and that made me very happy. I think that you're going to love this blanket as much as we have, and that's my point of view.